I'll be honest, I don't love plain water, so this is what I make instead. This is my daily herbal infusion, especially when I want to support my digestion and reduce bloating. It is incredible for your body. It boosts the immune system. It's full of vitamins and minerals. And I love making that the night before. It's so easy. We can strain it in the morning and enjoy it and sip all day long. That's what I love to do. I also share it with my family, or I drink it the whole thing by myself sometimes. So it's great. It's so good. Let's go. I started with the lemon balm. This one is calming. It helps relax the digestive system, ease tension in the gut, and supports your nervous system too. Marshmallow root. This one is one of my favorite for digestion. It coats and soothes the gut lining, helps with irritation, so it's amazing. Nettle. I love nettle. It helps support digestion, reduce bloating, and it's rich in iron, silica, and vitamin C. Hibiscus, not only does it give you this beautiful color, it supports circulation, and it's rich in antioxidants, which can also support overall gut. I also add fresh ginger. It helps stimulate digestion, reduce bloating, and calm inflammation in the gut. Since this is a cold infusion, we're going to add filter water, and then we're going to store it in the fridge overnight for about 8 to 12 hours before we strain it and enjoy it. I totally forgot about my dandelion. I'm just adding it from the bag. It's amazing for the digestion, reducing bloating, and supporting your liver. And I sip on this all day, and honestly, my digestion feels so much better. And next day, we're just gonna strain the whole tea. It's made about 2 liters of infused tea. Also, I use 1 teaspoon of each herb, and ginger you can put as much as you like. It's not going to be spicy because it's not heated, but it still adds a beautiful flavor to the infusion. And that's it. It's so easy to make and delicious. It truly is incredible for your body. So why not making a daily habit? I will be sipping on this all day long. I hope you will give it a try and let me know what you think. Do you make herbal infusion? Let me know in the comments below. What kind of blends do you make? This is one of my blends. I make so many different kinds. So this is just the first one I'm sharing with you, and I'm sure there will be more. Don't forget to like, share with your loved ones, and subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos coming up.